Hi, my name's Tom. This is a wet cat food slow feeder. Regular cat slow feeders are only good for dry food. You can use wet food, but sometimes the cats can still eat it very fast. Some of my cats do. So I use this instead for the wet food, and I'm going to show you how it works. So there are suction cups at the bottom of each of them, and you just want to go ahead and suction them down so that they actually stay in place. And now you just go ahead and spoon out your wet food. I have 2 mats, so I give each of my cats about a quarter can of wet food on the mat. And then what you want to do is just kind of press the wet food into the mat with the back of a spoon or spatula or something. What you want to do is get the wet food into all those little grooves, because that will keep the food in place so that the cat can then go ahead and lick it and kind of eat it out of there. And here's my kitty. He has to lick it out of there. He cannot gobble it down. He can't grab it. He has to literally pull out little pieces with his tongue. He's fine with it. He actually enjoys eating it out of there, but he'll just sit and kind of lick and lick and lick and lick, and he'll pull out all the wet food that he possibly can. But he eats it slow enough that he does not get sick using this mat. Cleanup is real easy. Once they're done, you can just kind of lift them off. The suction cups come off relatively easily, and then you can go ahead and put them into a sink or a dishwasher. I just usually just put them in the sink. I run water over them, and then they're pretty much clean and ready to go. That's all there is to it. You let them dry, and that's it. They work great, and my cats don't get sick anymore.